Hello, welcome to AP Calc AB. My name is Mr. Erb. So a little bit about myself. I'm from Medina, Ohio. I've taught for over 10 years. I went to college at Bowling Green State University for AYA math education. I'm the club advisor for AKML, also known as the AK Math Club. We do a lot of contests here at AK and just kind of do community outreach for helping others with math. I'm a 2019 PAMEST awardee, DoD Sim Ambassador in 2021, and an Edith May Slife awardee in 2021. I also have two young girls at home, Zoe and Lily, which I love. Ooh, okay. A little bit about this class. It meets daily. It is one 5.0 credit, so we are not like Calc ABBC, which is two 5.0 credits. This is one 5.0 every day, all year long credit. Expect to have homework every night. We're going to have 3 to 4 tests, which are performs per quarter, 3 to 5 quizzes, which are rehearses per quarter. There's going to be weekly check-ins, which usually go in with the quiz, and our actual AP test is in early May. We'll also have a mock test sometime in April that has really helped students in the past and really got them set up for success on the actual AP test. So, classroom expectations. I expect students to turn in the weekly homework worth 100 points. Homework will be set up and divided throughout the week in terms of multiple turn-in dates, but each homework assignment collectively will count as 100 points. They need to come in, begin the homework, take all notes and copy examples. Notes and annotated notes are on my website as well to help students who miss any work or just struggle seeing the board. Make sure they turn late work in without being prompted. Late work is deducted 5 points per day late. And you can turn late work in up until I think it's the actual week after the final test for that unit. Grading. Grading has not changed. We have the performed, which are tests, rehearse, which are quizzes, and prepare is anything from classwork, group activities, warm-ups. Anything we're doing in class is usually going to be prepare or homework, whereas rehearses are quizzes, maybe projects, and performs that big test at the end of the unit, 50 points, or 50% of their grade. Homework, everything's on AP Classroom or Delta Math. There are going to be some worksheets that we will have kind of throughout class, and I'll hand out to them. All students have access to AP Classroom. It has videos for each lesson and homework practice as well as check-ins. This is based on the AP test. That date may be wrong. I don't think this year in particular it's going to be May 8th, but otherwise it's going to be the first 2 weeks of May. Test questions come from AP Classroom or our AP Classroom adjacent. We're going to try to align our curriculum as much to College Board as we possibly can. And Delta Math is great for skills practice as well. Late work, at first a 0 will be placed in the grade book. Even if it's just an absence, that helps me keep track of who wasn't here, who doesn't have the work. As soon as they get back from being absent, they can turn in for that full 100%. Otherwise, if it's late work, it's 5 points off per day. This quickly can snowball and start destroying grades because we know that if you're missing some assignments, it's not as if the other assignments go away. So we need to make sure we check in with students, make sure they're staying on top of work and getting all of that done. Homework is a consolidation of that days and week skills. So if they're not understanding or doing the homework, then they're going to struggle when it comes time for tests. All right, test corrections. If they get between a 70 or 79, a lot of times these corrections will count up for an 80. If it's below a 69, then they are doing corrections and have to take a retest. They have a 2-week period from getting back their test to doing the retest. We need to do that just with pace of the course, but also after 2.5 weeks, a lot of times we're moving into another unit. And so we wouldn't want them doing a retest a whole unit after. Absence, if they're absent, check my website for any missing assignments or wherever I'm posting assignments at that time. You can always phone a friend or send an email as well. Ooh, that got misaligned. Success, attitude plus effort equals success. As parents, make sure your children are doing their classwork or homework. You can always check notes as well. Use PowerSchool to check grades and assignments. Email me any concerns. Send your child to tutoring. Tutoring is going to be, this says Mondays at 8. It is actually, this year, it's Tuesdays after school. That can change from time to time, so please check the websites to help out. And here's my contact information. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email or check the website as well. That's where I post assignments for this class, at least currently. Wish list at any point, tissues. We know cold, flu, COVID, it all going around. So anytime you have tissues, that would be very helpful. Thank you.